What if you download PHP into your PC and you ran into missing error and not installing probably today? I will show you how to edit PHP in the environments variables and run PHP in your PC. First thing, you need to find the path that you download PHP files in and click in the above path bar and copy the path. And you need to open environments variables and open environments options and enter to the path selection and bit edit. Then choose add new path and paste the path you copying and save. Then you need to open CMD and write PHP v, and you should see that PHP is successful. Be installed. That is all. Thanks for watching.